Okay, so here's the next video in this series of analog electronics. So we have this question and this circuit given, and we're asked to find I here and V naught here. So let's do this. We are given V gamma, which basically means this is the turn on voltage for a diode. So first thing let's do is consider the terminals or the polarities for each element. So we have plus, minus, because current is going from up to down. So plus, minus, and plus, minus. And like in the previous video, we can consider this plus 2 volt voltage source like this. So you have the negative terminal here, positive terminal here, and similarly for the negative 8 volt source, the polarity is flipped because it's negative. So it's going to be like positive here, negative here. So we're going to do KVL in this direction. So first we enter the negative terminal of the voltage source. So we're going to have negative 2. Then we enter the positive terminal of the 5K ohm. So we have plus I times 5K plus, we enter then the plus terminal of the diode. We are given V gamma is 0.7 volt. So the voltage drop in this diode is basically 0.7 volt. So we can write plus 0.7 volt. Then we enter the positive terminal in this 20K resistor. So we have plus I times 20K. And then we enter the positive side of this negative 8 voltage source. So we have plus negative 8. And all of these equal 0, which is basically KVL. So if we rearrange and solve this, we will get I times 25K equals 2 minus 0.7 plus 8. So I equals 0.372 milliohm. So we have found the current in this circuit, and since it's a series circuit, the current is the same in all of these elements here. So let's find V naught. Now V naught is the voltage here, which basically means that V naught equal the voltage drop over the diode VD plus the voltage drop over the resistor. Let's call it VR. We know VD is 0.7 given by V gamma, which is the turn on voltage for the diode. So if we can find VR, then we can solve for V naught. So if we consider the Ohm's law, V equals IR, which means I equal V over R. Now, if we consider this part of the circuit, which is the resistor and the negative 8 volt source, we can say VR minus 8 over 20K ohm. and we know the I here. So we can write 0.372 milliamp equal VR plus 8 over 20K. So VR equal, let's put this in the calculator and find the value. We get negative 0.56 volt. So using this here that we had earlier, V naught equal VD plus VR, we can write V naught equal VD plus VR. VD we know is the voltage drop across the diode, which is 0.7 volts, plus VR is negative 0.56. So V naught equal 0.14 volt. So that's how you do it.